Hey, what's up, everyone? I have 0 viewers. Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's up, bro?
Wow, today I have 0 viewers. Usually I had 10, but after yesterday I have no viewers.
I don't even remember what happened, honestly.
Yesterday was a
It
mess.
was it was just a short stream.
Yo, the thing is, I wanted to trade, and I was in some gold trades, but then like my website it got hacked Sunday a week ago, and I tried to fix it, and it made everything worse. And I was in the live chat with these guys for such a long time, and then I had to provide so many details, and I couldn't trade. Same time I was stressed because it was the opportunity of a lifetime. I felt like this. Yeah. Um. So yes, there was a special day because of this war breakout. Just and
Yeah, it's
I knew
unfortunate.
that I
wasn't
knew that
wasn't
much.
expected, that's for sure.
Yeah, but it obviously like we knew a short is gonna come. We just didn't know when. It
I
happened
know
to
that's
be.
the funny thing, bro. Is like all last week we were waiting for that. It was just so unexpected to happen right off the open like that. But
Hmm.
we were just trying last week over. I mean we caught some beautiful shorts from the top, but the fact that the big drop with follow through happened on a Monday like that was just so unfortunate.
No, yesterday was Tuesday.
Or well, yeah, Tuesday, true,
I
but
guess
still on Tuesday.
they had this news already, but then only when the market opens that these orders come in.
Yeah, yeah.
Probably the
No, I
way.
heard about the news too, but I didn't realize it was going to do that to the market though. I heard it about an hour before the market. I was on YouTube watching my this YouTube this day trading live stream. It's called Day Trader Live, and they were talking about it and they announced it. They didn't say it was gonna. They didn't. Nobody knew it was gonna do anything in the market. That's just always like hit or miss. But yeah, crazy, crazy, crazy. Uh,
So I'm gonna do a
honestly,
bit.
I'm liking Nas. It's just
Mhm.
more crystal clear to me. It's very similar. I just like that if you look at Nas, like, can you see my screen?
No, you're not sharing. Share your screen. You do the market outlook, and then I do mine, and then we decide.
Yeah, so if you see ES, like we took out the low and then pushed up a bit. We never took out this high. And these little micro trend lines are kind of just gauging, we're just moving sideways. Ever since this consolidation in New York yesterday, we stayed in it. We're still in it during London. Like, we haven't broke out. So I'm not looking really at anything much until we get a sweep and some aggressive selling. But that's why I like NAS, because we got above here. We swept the Tokyo high at least. And now if we break this intraday trend line, I wouldn't mind looking to take some sells here. I would really like to, if I saw it, I literally right when I clicked over to NAS, it was already like right here. But I would have liked to try to snipe that sweep, because I do think sales could be a definite continuation for today. And then as far as like my line in the sand, if we get back above this 50% retracement of this drop, I think bulls are going to take control back up, maybe to all-time highs. But if we stay under this all day, we're either just going to stay in this consolidated area, or we're gonna take out some highs or come up, reject this 50% retracement for sales to come in. But that's my line in the sand for today. I don't want to take buys, obviously, below this, and I'm not really interested. It's just like I don't want to take sells either at like a breakout. I'm done breaking out. It just hasn't been working for me. I really want to capture sniper entry like I was last week, selling the highs based off of sweeps. And yeah, I need a lot more market to develop though for today, because this is absolutely in a no-go zone for me. So
let me quickly share my screen. To be honest, I think NAS ES looks better because when we have a look, it's almost the same picture. Let me switch. So ES, oh no, I cannot even change this. Okay, let's go. Remember this FU candle here, or this formation. Now when we go to ES, we have the exact same thing, only that this wick is much longer, makes this a stronger FU candle. Then we have here the liquidity. So if it comes up here, we can take sales from above this. Actually, it's this zone, but now comes the problem. We have here another imbalance, which is also valid, which would make this a trap. So sales are risky. It depends. If we break this low first, I would say this becomes liquidity. If we go up here first, then we can trade from here to here. Yeah, that's my plan, because eventually it's gonna come up to here too.
Yeah, I think that imbalance should get filled at some point for sure.
And on Nasdaq, we have exactly the same picture, only that this wick is so much more tiny, which makes this a less probable FU candle.
Well, with those being equal wicks, I actually like that, because equal highs are usually have even more liquidity sitting above them. Sometimes depends on the time frame, honestly, but that's a higher time frame, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the 4 hour. Yeah, but I want to sell here.
When there's one wick, it's taking out the liquidity of that area already. When there's two wicks, that both of those candles haven't been taken out yet, so there's more resting liquidity for the most part, I would say. Was that NAS that you were saying they were equal?
Yeah, almost equal.
What time frame is that? The 1 hour?
That's 4 hour. And if I go to another time frame,
I don't see that those equal highs on 4 hours.
Yeah, it's risky. We might see that NAS is going to take out this wick, but ES doesn't. This will be the optimal scenario that we can go short on NAS. But if it rips down first.
Oh, okay. I see those equal highs now. Yeah.
But if it rips down first, I would say we can look for longs inside here and target this high. It depends on what gets swept first.
All right, I'm gonna make a post on Instagram, the live.
So the market opens in 6 minutes.
Oh, my deposit just hit. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh, it's the wire. Oh, wait.
So this is my plan number 1, and plan number 2 is this. So if it breaks this first, we sell from here, and if it only breaks this and goes up here, we sell from here to here.
I like that.
Now I'm gonna make it transparent, and then I'm gonna watch it
play out.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I love doing that.
But I'm pretty sure that at the open it will take out this FUCAN. No, actually here it doesn't look like it. And I got so so lucky with my account that I thought I blew them
Yeah,
all.
bro, that's just one of those like hidden blessings right there. I love that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, it's unbelievable. I was so sure I'm gonna make it to the payout because I've made money every single day. I followed the plan. It felt so easy, and then I just made such a stupid mistake. Like I had these limit orders and lost all my profits. I want to make it back and just got wrecked, like in minutes.
Oh, yesterday. I honestly do not know anything about what happened to you yesterday. Like, I don't remember you trading. I don't remember hearing anything. I just hopped on. I remember you stepped away for a minute. I freaking tried longing the market in front of your live for like 3 tries, and then I just called it a day. I was so pissed.
Yeah.
I was just pissed that I was like influenced by an outside source. I decided to trade because of it, my mentor, and then I just spiraled into a domino effect, and I started making really sad choices, just like falling into bad old patterns, and you know how it goes. But
yeah, me too.
I need to reset sometimes. Whenever I go on a winning streak, I need a reset. It's sad. I wish I could just reset without taking the loss.
Yeah.
Like, I need to figure out how to win for 2-3 weeks in a row, and then put myself in a mental reset. Like, I take myself back to the times where I do go into those domino effects or those losses without going into those losses. I need to somehow put myself in that state of mind to remind myself, don't go down that path again.
You actually need to remind yourself every single day of this. I have my routine where I write down like things. It's like a spiritual routine, but also it's for trading, like to prepare myself mentally, like what my plan is, what I'm going to do, and all this stuff. But sometimes I get up and I have to do so many things, and there's news and so many messages, and then I cannot do it. And these are always the days where I fuck up. No, yesterday I had some buy limits. Actually, I wanted to sell it. Listen, I was in the short right before the news. I was in it, and it didn't hit my stop loss, but I closed it because it came up a little bit. So stupid. Right after this, it dumped. I would have flipped this account. I was in with 8 contracts. I would have fucking flipped this account, and I closed at a tiny loss, and then it dumped, and lower I had buy limits, and then I was in the live chat with the support, and I couldn't watch it, and then thought, damn, big drawdown, all these losses, and it was a nightmare. But I made a lot of money with CFDs, with gold and oil.
Yeah, if I have any outside sources outside of my trading before I get started, like that aren't dialed, I'm just you have to stay away. All right, market's open. Yeah, you got to come prepared, dialed with everything. Let's see what we get today, baby. Putting no expectations out there for the day. Okay, stop with that. Yeah, yes. Yes. We're ripping. The book is ripping. Oh, we broke that trend line. I don't even know how I didn't see that. Okay, let's see if SPY respects this. So far, it's looking good.
As always, we're gonna wait for the sweep. I'm gonna set an alert. I'm not gonna trade any FU candles inside this range before this or this is swept.
Yes.
Actually, this.
Yo, somebody asked in the chat if you can give us a breakdown.
Again, I already made one, but let's do it again because we're waiting anyway. So today is really difficult because we have conflicting signals. So overall, we're obviously very long. We're very long on these indices, but then on ES we took out the all-time high. On the Nasdaq we just reacted in the higher time frame POI, and we took a lot of liquidity, which makes it, from the time it broke this here, it was short bias, but we were still too early last week. Yesterday we had this news about the war breakout, so it was obviously short, and it didn't take any external liquidity, only took out this low here, which is internal liquidity, and it directed in this fair value gap. Actually directed in this tiny fair, it came a little bit below, it directed here, and now it's coming up, and I don't know why it doesn't show on this time frame. That's the Nasdaq. Let's go to ES. It's almost the same. We have this FU candle. I don't know why it doesn't print right now. It's probably loading. Yes. So I'm looking for sells here above this high, but when it takes out this low first, this most likely becomes a trap. So if it takes out this low first and goes down, we would look for continuation sells once, like in this imbalance, once it takes out this FU candle. And if it just straight up dumps down here, I would buy down here. So it depends. Now it looks like it's going to break this low first.
Actually,
also in 25 minutes, this 4-hour candle closes. If it's closed as an FU candle, yeah, we could look for shorts here too, but it's risky. It's very conflicting. Same on Nasdaq. Only that on Nasdaq, this FU candle is very low probability because it swept the high just for like a pip or so. Actually, no, where I don't find my drawing. Here's my drawing. I drew it. So I said if it comes at the open, if it comes down first to sweep this, we're gonna go long here to take out this FU candle high. If it goes up first, we can try to sell from here down here to here. I'm gonna take ES though.
All the leaves are brown.
But first, we just wait for a sweep.
Shows 0 viewer. For some reason, it says I have Jake's in my stream, but YouTube says I have 0.
Really?
It's weird. And some reason my YouTube stream doesn't put your voice in it.
Really?
That's unfortunate. I think it does that for you too. Or no, maybe not. I think I heard mine in your stream. I could hear myself.
Of course, you're in my stream.
I don't know why it does this. Something with the audio.
Yeah, that's strange. You also still don't have the picture. You still have this OBS logo.
Nah, I have my camera on.
No.
On my YouTube, I do. Not. I don't know how to change it. Stop cam. I don't know if I can use my camera for 2 streams. For all my freaking comments. So bad.
Also today, I don't expect such big moves because we had such a huge move yesterday. So usually the day after this, you don't really have.
Yep, unless we get a continuation down. But other than that, yeah, I expect to stay in this range, sweep the lows, sweep the highs, just kind of stay range bound.
But you know what? I think I'm going to take NQ. I'm going to show you why. No, also ES. They're fine. Look, it forms an FU candle. So this closes in 21 minutes. Most likely, when this closes an FU candle, a bearish one, I don't know why it doesn't print. Because of this week. Then I'm gonna look for a tiny retracement and sell all the way down here.
Got it.
I think we get a breakout on the higher time frame through this.
We just broke out on ES. This trend line that I was watching. It's just I'm not trading breakouts. No way I'm selling the lows.
No, first I need to wait for the reaction once it takes out this low here. We have to wait for 21 minutes now for this candle to close, then we can take a trade. There's no point.
That'll be right around 9 o'clock too, so that's perfect.
Yeah. So now you want to see the fake reaction here.
About to take out New York low. Probably gonna sweep it. Let's see. Looks like this might just drop like yesterday.
Yeah.
Look at the 5 minute from yesterday. It's doing exactly the same thing. It's crazy. Just a massive drop.
No, but that's fine. That's now a big imbalance. Then we wait for the next 15 minutes to close. We should get an imbalance here. Now it looks very clear to me. So we should get an imbalance here. Also here, this flipped. So then we can sell it from, it depends on where this candle, where the next closes, but most likely from here. I'm going to draw this.
If the VIX breaks above 20.5 today, at the same time that we lose these lows, this thing's probably going to melt. Just saying. That's like a huge it's a huge double power right there. it's a drop on steroids if it happens.
A drop on trend.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch these two closely because I'll take a momentum drop on that if it happens. We're not yet there. We're at 20 on VIX. We need to break 20.5 and see. Yes.
Actually, it was on the lower time frame. It was a perfect setup. Look here, it broke this low. What's the rule? After it broke the low, it has to take out the high from where this low was broken, which is this. It broke this high. Now let's see if we got a 5 or a 3-minute FU candle. I guess we did. Yeah, this is one, but I have it filtered out because this wick is too long on the bottom. Maybe we have a 3-minute. Yeah, same. We have a 3-minute here and we have a 3-minute here. I don't know why it doesn't show, but this would have been the perfect entry. I don't know what's wrong with this indicator right now. It's still loading.
Damn, it's unfortunate.
I think I need to close some tabs. I have too many things open.
That'll do it. Yeah, if VIX pops up to 20.5, it could easily reject where it rejected yesterday. And if VIX drops, ES will pop back up. So this could be a trap for sure. It basically is a trap until 20.5 breaks.
Well, now it shows. Now you can see we would have gotten, but I didn't trade so early. I wanted to wait for the open. I have it on EST. Oh, they changed it. Did they change the time? Did the time zone change? I think they changed the time zone. The daylight saving, I don't know how it's called. You know what I mean?
Did it? Nah, daylight savings didn't happen.
But they changed it 2 times. At the 1st of October and then on the 31st, I think.
Let me see.
So yeah, here, this would have been a setup I didn't trade at this time. This was right after the open. Beautiful, actually. Sweep of the high at the open, FU candle, another FU candle. If you take this entry approach, which I really should do, no, I told myself I don't trade the open because every time I do, I get smacked. But look the risk reward that you would have gotten here, 1 to 8. It's crazy.
That entry that I told you once we swept on NAS, the Tokyo high, that was like the ideal entry for this trade.
Now we can I can still take a short from this FU candle, but we have to wait for the 4-hour to close. But it's very possible that once this is such a strong FU candle and you can see it wants to drop, it's very possible that the next one's just gonna flush down here. And this zone is pretty big. Probably should only look.
NAS still hasn't hit the New York low from yesterday, so can be watching that as well. We could bounce a sweep there. ES is just ahead today. Definitely got a leg down before NAS. Yeah. And we're approaching 20.5 on VIX. Let's see what we get here. It's so funny how these cells just come up. Zero pullback. Ridiculous.
Yeah, now we have to get used to this because it's now October, which is a very volatile month usually. And we have NFP and all this stuff coming up. So I said this last week, we have to expect much more volatility now. because we're used to very, very rangy markets, but now we have these big moves again.
We can get back up to this trend line and retest that. I would like to short around there.
I'm going to show your screen, but there's no way I'm going to enter before this new 4-hour candle opens, because this is such an easy setup now. So clear.
Oh, that. So
I mean,
the FU candle on the 4-hour?
Yeah, I'm just going to take it from there.
Yeah.
I'm going to calculate my risk now. What would happen if I would just have my stop loss above and I don't look for lower time frame entry? How can I open the trading panel here? I'll take a sell limit from, let's just hypothetically.
Opening range is completed.
SL is here.
Getting the
And
pullback.
TP is here. Oh, that's such a bad risk reward ratio. Maybe we'll go much lower. I think you should take this out.
I like the Tokyo low entry, honestly. I'm going to retest that Tokyo low. There's also a 1-minute FU candle that I would be tapping into. I'm going to see how it reacts right here.
But I'm so happy we get a rejection now. Like this, we get a much better entry. So either it's gonna, we can take it from this 5-minute FU that you see, a retest there, or the retest a little higher at 5742 above this wick there. This would be optimal.
Now we're getting a 5-minute FU to the upside. Here we go. See what we get.
Yeah, you watch the small time frame. I watch the higher time frames.
Yeah, I'm gonna look at this Tokyo low. I really want to see this reject. All right, we tapped in. We tapped in. And we're ripping a little bit, baby rip.
That's why I want to wait for the 4-hour close, because this could actually turn around. It could still be a bullish FU now after it swept the low. It's very possible.
Yeah.
That's why we stay patient today. And I know it's going to be a good session.
Okay, we're about to take out that wick. About 1 minute. All right, see if VWAP holds it down. Damn, this thing just ripped back up. Huge candles too. Right into the imbalance. This thing is just going.
Yeah, we still have 11 minutes left for the close. And this candle could still turn around into a bullish FU candle. That's why we wait.
Oh, you know what? VIX dumped right at that 20.4 area, causing this to go up as well. Just strength behind strength. I'm telling you, when VIX breaks that 20.5, we're going to see a massive sell-off. So I'm just going to keep my eye on that. But it's going to be a late entry. We're going to have to get something better up here. Let's see. Can't see what this is on. Yeah, this thing is just dumb. I'll hit the slow down right here. Zero pullbacks. Did Nas get any sweeps? Is that what this was? Nope, we didn't sweep the low on Nas.
Of course. Oh no, just an internal low. True.
VIX is dropping. This thing might just have these little dips spot up and we might take off. This could be the long right here. Yeah. Man. That's 1 hour on SPY. Ooh, that closed super bearish or bullish. Yeah, the 1 hour close is extremely bullish. Took out the lows, leaving a very, very big bottom wick. Sweep of the lows on SPY. See if ES. Yeah, ES looks pretty similar. I could see this thing ripping up. I would like to join the longs. I just want to see a bigger pullback to like the 3.5, 3.3 area.
Yeah, I just need to wait for the 4 hour close.
Closes in 5, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Then see where the first move goes, and then take the opposite side of the first move.
Damn, 5, 15. Oh. It's 15 freaking up there. Funky little. It's gonna drop, fake out, leave a wick, push up. Or it just rips up right here, right now. I just love that those buyers stepped in super aggressive at that low. The only thing I would want to see to give me more confidence behind that is seeing them hold up that level on a pullback. But market doesn't give pullbacks anymore. Just goes. Come on, baby. Give us one today. Just grab liquidity, balance this imbalance. It's projecting this perfectly. It's a good short too, though. That's what sucks. It's like it looks good to both sides. The risk to reward for shorts right here is perfect. Stops above the high. But then for a bigger, longer move, I could see this thing ripping up more. Taking out the Tokyo high at least for ES. Just looked like a bear trap this morning. Doing the same thing it did yesterday. Just catching people off. One minute. Do we get the drop? Let's go. Ugh. Bigger one, bigger one. Come on. Get a big drop. All of this brown. Couldn't even get into the imbalance. Come on, bruh.
All right, so we have the 4 hour close, and it didn't close as an FU candle. It closed bullish, but taking liquidity to the liquidity grab to the downside was stronger, so I'm not looking for shorts inside this candle now. I would look for shorts once it takes out the high, but for now, we also have, let me share my screen. I think we're gonna have, no, I don't see anything actually. No, I have no idea. It doesn't look clear. I need to wait. Because on the 1 hour, it looks very bad for longs.
For longs?
Yeah, it looked very bad on the 1 hour.
Why do you think that? I like that wick. I like that we took out all these lows, ripped up. Now this next 1 hour could close the bearish and or bullish engulfing potentially.
Usually it has to fill these wicks, you know.
Let me see. Show me your screen.
Like here it looks all right on the 15 minute, especially if this inverses here, we could go long, but at the same time on the 1 hour. How does this look? Is it going to break out here? I don't like this wick. I want to see this wick getting filled. Otherwise, I just don't have confidence, you know?
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
No confidence, no trade. So, honestly, guys, for now, I'm just waiting.
Oh, boy.
I see that it's more long now than short, especially we have also this here. Like several retests on this line here, which is very powerful for longs, but I don't know. I don't like this wick here.
That was the trap. We trapped participants. Now we're ripping their heads off. Man, bro, fuck. Should have taken that shit. I just didn't get I needed a tick lower, and I just wanted to see it take out this wick in order to join, and it just did it. Stayed right, it like double bottomed on this consolidation. If it just took out that wick, I was gonna try a short. Targeting just the Tokyo high here, 57.63. Tons of volume stepped in right after that double bottom. It's crazy. VIX also just tanked, which is causing this to rip up even more. It's all good.
I am absolutely unsure. So we could look for sales up here or here, but it's too big of a zone. We took liquidity here, which means
I have an idea. Sorry, keep going.
Okay, it took out this low. This means, oh no, from here, this low got taken out. Means this high has to be taken out. Also, there's an imbalance, so we can sell from here. We can also try to buy it from here to here. Maybe this, now that we have this inversion here of this fair value gap, once this closes, we might, yeah, we can maybe look for buys here, but yeah, from the logic of liquidity, yeah, it's from here long, from here to this high. Then for shorts, but I don't see anything yet. Ah, that's an FU cat.
To be honest, bro, I don't even want to. I'm like, I'm catching myself coming up with a game plan that has to like join the trend or join whatever's going on direction wise, but I don't even want to place a trade if it's not on my level, like my Tokyo or New York levels.
Yeah, same.
Like every time I do, every time I place it on my levels, it wins every time. When I can see what's going to happen on my levels. Whenever I start to try and create a game plan off random areas, just based off price action, it just doesn't work out. So
I know what you mean.
I'm going to call it a day until these levels approach the 50%, the Tokyo high, something like that. I'm not going to try and long it in this area at all. The only thing we did do that is part of my levels is sweep the New York low on ES. We swept the low. Like, that should have been my entry. I don't know what I was thinking. I mean, I guess the opening range wasn't finished yet. So was it? Let me see. No, kind of.
Here we had an FU candle, but it was huge, and now we have the second. I could join the longs here actually. Would still be. Should I? Shouldn't
I
I?
was thinking like this 50 period, the 50 EMA, like we've been holding this since the high of yesterday, and we're sitting on it right now. If we break above this 50 period, that's going to be a good long, I believe. Like we're probably going to start trending. So
Boom! I have entered.
you did?
Yeah. But just a tiny position.
Yeah.
I need at least two.
I want to see this 50 break, and then I'll be interested.
Because we have an FU candle, we inverse this one, we inverse the fair value gap. It could still come down and take me out here. Then it is what it is. But it's a valid setup on the lower time frame, TP here. Like with futures, I can give myself 2 tries per trade. It's no problem because I risk such a small amount.
Yeah, we just popped up with aggressive volume and rejected that 50 period pretty heavily. So I'm going to be a little patient. It could break out here, that 50 right on this candle. We'll see. And if it does come down, I'll closer to where my sweep occurred on my level, like that 3.5, 3.8 area. That's where I would join the longs if I can see a bounce happen there. It's just too high for me right now. I know I'm gonna get fucked if I enter right here. This double bottom should get taken out. No, 1 minute.
The reason I took this is obviously because it flipped and everything, but usually I don't take it when there's a wick above, like the next candle of their FU candle. But this FU candle, it didn't really take any liquidity. It was just a mitigation.
Yeah. That wick was created. It rejected the 50 period.
And they rejected this FU candle, but usually they don't work like this. After this has been broken, every short FU candle becomes a trap. So if there's a reaction, most of the time it's just to take a little bit of liquidity. So I could be the liquidity here. That's very possible. If this is the case, I will re-enter here after I get another FU candle. And there's a 64% chance it hits my stop loss, but if I win, I win 4 times more than I lose.
Let's see. There it goes. Right above the 50. See if we can reclaim that high. Or do we reject again?
But this is not a swing trade.
This should be a scalp. If you're going to trade this. like Tokyo high target 57.
Now we have the new 5-minute candle opening up. No, it actually just opened a minute ago.
That's what I was trying to do.
Gold looks very nice for shorts, actually.
Oh man, fucking neck, dude. If we lose this 50 period on VIX, we're gonna lose the 50 period on ES at the same time, and they're just gonna rip.
Up or down?
ES will rip up, and VIX will rip down, causing ES to go even higher. They're both just sitting on the 50 period. That's amazing. Now we see, or they both reject. They go the opposite way. ES goes down and VIX rips back up. But I don't know. The breakout's looking a little bit more favorable, just based off my spidey senses. Let's see what we're about to find out.
Yeah, my trading strategy is also a lot based on spidey senses.
Yeah, just some intuition from years of chart time.
Yeah, but then also just sometimes breaking every single rule, doing what you know exactly is not going to work, just doing it anyways.
Yeah, that can't be done. That is what I did yesterday. Not fun. So we break above this, we're going long, probably into the 50. But break above this, we're going to the New York high from yesterday. It's going to be a big move.
And once we break this, I'm going to go to break even.
This consolidation is so ugly. Dude, look at the hourly, dude. It did exactly what I said, though. Made that wick, took out the lows, and then now this one's bullish engulfing. What if it closes?
Oh, yeah. But, bro, we still have 46 minutes left.
I know. This thing could end anywhere. Let's hope it does what I thought it was.
It could still re-break its own low.
You kind of convinced me not to, and then you took the loss.
Oh, yeah. There's only so much patience that I have, you know. But
it lasted 5 seconds for you. You're like, no, I don't like the long. And then you're like, I'm in the long.
Yeah. I always find a reason to get into a trade. But you see this liquidity.
And you convinced me not to, and now I'm not in it. But it's okay. I honestly don't want to be in it yet. I only want to be in it if we come down further, because that was my whole reasoning behind getting in this trade, is giving myself the least amount of risk possible. And that's that low. For me, the risk is below the sweep of the New York low. So I want to get long as close I can to this sweep, which is like a higher low created around the 36, 38 area.
Yeah.
Don't get that, then I have I just don't want to put that much risk on the table. I mean, you could set the risk below this low of the hourly candle, but if you get out there, like say it drops below there, technically the trade could still be valid if it makes a higher low. Like the trade is completely invalidated once this low gets broken. So I don't want to enter, get stopped out, and the trade still goes my way. So
yeah,
that's the worst.
No, but all I told you is I'm going to wait for the 4 hour to close, and then said, no, I don't like the long. Yeah, that's true. But then I went to the 3 minute, and then all of a sudden I saw the setup.
I see it too now, the FU candle.
Yeah, it's, you know,
and then it took out the low.
Yeah. But here I didn't like this as an entry. I mean, I don't want to have my stop loss here. But now I just take a very high risk. It's this FU candle, you know what? I'm going to delete this buy limit because if it comes down, it's going to take out this low of the FU candle. So actually, I should have my stop maybe a little bit lower. Oh, it's going to hit it anyways. If it comes down, it's going to hit it anyways completely. So, but this FU candle could be the liquidity for this FU candle. So actually, instead of entering here, I should have had my buy limit exactly here and here, and my stop loss maybe here. But now I'm in it.
Man, I cannot wait to get out of these Airbnbs, bro. I hate trading on the couch.
Yeah, your back must hurt.
It does. So uncomfortable.
No, but I have 3 screens here. I have my music set up. I have a keyboard. I have everything. I have a really nice office now.
How do you have all that in an Airbnb?
No, I just take it with me, or I have a suitcase, and when I leave the country, I just leave the suitcase with my cleaner. I have in several countries, I have a suitcase with stuff on me.
That's crazy. That's
and
funny.
they always ask, when are you coming back? And I'm like, I don't think I've ever come back.
Nope, never. That's funny. All right, here we go. Testing the 50 period again. Let's see. We got VIX kind of not really as low as it used to be. Oh, there it goes. Now it's dropping. So this is popping. While this is dropping, we might get this thing rocking to the upside here. Unfortunately, didn't get a pullback. Again. Oh, shit. I just spilled.
Oh, it's struggling a lot with these wicks, huh?
It's that 50 period, bro. I'm telling you, if you look at that 50 period on like any time frame, 15 hour, it's just been, or actually no, what am I on? 5 minutes. For the last long time, it's just been holding.
This is the 200.
The second we break and hold, build some demand above it, we should get a nice push to the upside. At least to that 50% retracement, Tokyo high area, 5778, 580, 5780.
So funny with these Apex accounts. I said last week how ridiculous it is with $600 drawdown limit on a 100K account, and then I said you can just put $600 into an account to trade this, of course, but you don't have this leverage. But I did this, and I already withdrew 1.6K from. I did put $600 in an account last week, and I already withdrew $1,600. And today I'm going to withdraw another 800.
There it goes, brother.
Just flipping these accounts.
Here goes. We're losing the 50 on VIX. We're losing the 50 on ES.
Chat. This is a risk-free trade. We are break even now. Ready to take another break even. And ready to buy again lower here. I'm going to have my buy limit already.
Yo, someone in the chat's asking to show you the gold chart.
Yeah, it's just in a bit. Actually, I can leave it. You want me to switch the chart and just leave this as it is? I just need to set an alert in case
it
gets hit.
Or just put this chart. Do the thing where it shows 2 charts.
Yeah, that's actually a good idea. Now, how can I? It's very ugly, huh? Yeah, then it's
white. Yeah, I wish it would just copy it. Oh, if you have your template saved, you can just...
No, I changed all the wrong things. Sorry, I cannot do this. Wow, going.
Oh shoot! What did I tell you when we lose that 50, bro? It's gone. VIX is just, it's gone.
You know what? I'm going to take a partial up here.
Tokyo high. Wait, I mean, I would take partials at Tokyo high.
Tokyo high is this
57, 63, 50.
Yeah, I'm going to set an alert here. But my spidey senses, they tell me it's going to come all the way back down and take this this.
I can see that happening. Well, you got the 50 now under you at least. So hopefully the 50 holds for you.
I know what, no, it's too late to take partials. I want to take a partial here, actually. It is what it is. I just have my alerts. Guys, I'm going to check the goal chart in a minute. I want to watch this first here.
We'll see how we react at this 50.
But at least I cannot lose anymore.
Yeah, it's all good. It is pulling back.
I mean, the rules of liquidity say that once it takes this out, it has to take out this. And I
took out the lows. Now we take out at least Tokyo high. At least. It stopped like right before it. How funny. It's because we're in this chop zone. This is the chop zone. Expect to get chopped up in this zone.
Yeah, I'm ready here.
You can't expect anything. Dear Lord.
And
the downside now.
Yeah.
Oh no.
And we're still in.
God damn it. Oh shoot. Oh man. I wanted to see that thing take off for you.
Oh, that's nice.
Let's see. We got that EMA. We might be able to bounce here. Got the 9. Bounce off the 9, baby.
But the good thing is I already took a trade on NASDAQ on a CFD account, and I already made 498, which I'm going to withdraw now.
You took one today on NAS?
Yeah, I took the breakout. And we are out the break even. So sad. I'm so sad. But it was a beautiful entry. And
dude, I would have loved to see this happen right after a sweep. It would have been a sweet short entry.
Now I need all this bullshit here.
We might bounce off this opening range. I don't know, man. This is why I didn't want to enter these longs yet.
Yeah.
Patience for today. After yesterday, I'm like, I ain't doing any risky business.
Despite commissions, I didn't lose money. So now, guys, in the meantime, so sad. Why didn't I take profits?
It's okay, bro. It barely pushed. Like, why would you take profit so early?
Always do. Because my break-even stop-out rate is around 70 or 80%. So why not take a profit?
Mine is too.
Now I'm
I
gonna have
rather. I always tell you this, but you have a different method or methodology. I would rather stop out 60% of the time at break even and hold the entire trade for 20, 30 points, then take small profits. And then, I mean, it feels good, I guess, in situations like this. Like, yeah, you secured it and then it comes back to break even. So at least you got something out of it. When my method, I would get 0 out of it. But then when it does move 20 points, I'm going to always have the big reward, which is what I like to hold for.
Yeah, that's true.
Those big rewards end up paying for all those break evens, all the days you missed, all the days that, you had the small pops up in the break even.
Yeah, but on Apex, you cannot make too much in one trade because of the consistency rule. So that's why and I have such a high precision and win rate on the first, like to a 1-to-1, I probably have an 85% win rate or so. But for a 1-to-2, maybe 50% win rate.
Look at NAS, bro. This is why we not only took out the Tokyo high again, but we took out the sweep that happened in the pre-market. Pre-market, NAS took out the Tokyo high. Well, we swept that sweep, and that's why we dropped again.
And now we made a 5-minute FU candle on NAS, but we didn't. It's actually valid. Oh, I see so many setups now. No, I'm gonna wait for it. Also on ES, that's actually a valid short, based on the liquidity rules. But I'm not gonna take it.
I just don't like that ES didn't sweep the high. It didn't sweep any. It swept the high, but it didn't sweep the Tokyo high, which is the most important. These intraday pre-market levels aren't very liquid.
I deleted the buy limit. I'm gonna wait for further.
I don't know, man. This is what's gonna happen. It's gonna go down. It's gonna sweep the intraday low, and then it's gonna go up, sweep the high, and then go down, sweep the low, and then go up, sweep the high.
Yeah.
It's just gonna stay in this chop zone, bro. I swear. I can already sense it. It's not going anywhere today.
I just had my alert here.
We gotta just trade what's presented to us. We gotta take these scalps, 5 points up, 5 points down, 5 points up, 5 points down. Let's turn on our mental algo bot, and let's start algo trading, just like the algos would. How would we set up our algo trading?
Oh, very simple. Every time it forms a long wick, it just has a sell limit right above the wick, and always a buy limit below the wicks. And
exactly.
then
We sell this high, boom, 5 point scalp. We come down, take out this low, we take buys, we get a 5 point scalp. That's how it's gonna trade in this range.
also here you can see it below every. Let's say here above this high you have a sell limit. Boom, you take it. Above this wick you have a buy limit. Boom, you take it. Then here again sell limit. Boom, take it. This didn't get swept yet. Then you have a buy limit here or here. Boom, you take it. Yeah, it would work. So it would work amazing. You have like one trade every 2 candles.
This thing just
Yeah.
ripped.
It literally stopped me out for
All I want is
nothing.
5740. 5740 is my buy level.
Let me go to the 5-second chart to see where I got stopped out actually.
Actually, hold up.
Oh, I went a little I went a little lower, huh?
Potential lower high here.
Oh, I see this 1 second breakout. Look, I'm gonna take
A 1 second chart.
Yeah, it's the most reliable.
That's just insane. That's for the algos right there. Oh man.
Now that I'm waiting, I'm gonna have a look at the gold chart. This is on futures though, so the prices are a little different. So liquidity wise, it's short until around here this week.
Yeah, I should reject it hard.
But it can still go up and re-break this. Yeah, I guess gold is gonna go short soon. But not too much. We broke structure here. We took out the high, but there's no setup. Maybe on the 7 minute, not even in 7 minute setup. No setup so far. I'm gonna have an alert here once it breaks this or this.
That's facts. That is facts. 57.38, brother. Look at this 57.38 Tokyo low, bro. Look how many times we've respected this level. This is like key for today, okay? We got this 57.38. And we've used it and used it and used it. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. And every time we've bounced off it, we've bounced, but we haven't had any follow through. The bulls have defended it, but they haven't been able to get it going. Which tells me if we get it again, it's so used up now, it can break easily. So if it does fall through, that's when the sellers are going to come through. So if we come down here again to this 57.38 and we bounce, then we can look for the long, just for a scalp, little 5 point scalp. But if we come down to it and we fail, that is our area to short, and we will get melt. I'm telling you, that is my game plan. I'm just keeping that on the chart. That is what I'll be looking for today. It's too crystal clear to me. It's one of those things that I just see and it happens.
Yeah, for me it's clear. I just want to see this broken. You know what? I put my Money where my mouth is. How they say in.
And on top of everything I just said, that's the area that I was saying I wanted to join the longs, because this pullback would be taking out this liquidity of all these intraday candles. So if we take out this liquidity and the bears do want to step in here, that's where they're going to step in. It's going to be obvious. They're going to show up when they need to show up and when they need to defend. And if they don't, and this liquidity gets taken out and this low gets taken out, they failed. They have failed to defend the area they need to. And at that point, VIX should be ripping up. If we get all those things combined, bro, this thing is going to be a juicy short. Or we just stay in the chop range all day.
Yep.
So pretty simple, stress-free. And we wait patiently. 9 o'clock, we didn't get any type of reversal, really.
Yeah, I just should have kept my stop loss below the FU candle. Note to myself, break-even doesn't work. Break-even was developed from brokers to get more commissions.
Let's see, how many points were you up? Like, oh, what? That's 14 points? I thought it was like 4 points. It looks so small. But I'm pretty sure, yeah, you were up a good amount. You're up probably 10 points.
Oh, I'm just watching reading the chat now. Mate, can you show? Nice. You made
solid
dollars. Very nice.
Very nice. Love to see it. On gold?
Yeah, of course I missed a short, but I don't think it's like a really big one. I still wait for a more obvious setup.
That's unfortunate, man. If I missed these longs because we didn't get the pullback.
Oh, an NQ. I see something on NQ. Let me just jump into NQ.
How are we looking? NQ up at the highs again.
I'm gonna buy the high. Here. This is my theoretical buy the top trade here.
Buy the top. What if it takes out that FU candle though? It's wicked out.
Oh yeah, I'm sure it will take out the FU candle. I say it will come up here. Man, I'm just gonna wait. I'm not gonna buy the highs now. Just very sad. I got stopped out at break even. I'm very angry.
I know, that was a decent entry.
No, pisses me off.
It's okay. Always remember, this is what I forgot yesterday. And it's like the most important thing when you're stressed about trading. Tomorrow, there's another setup. There's another trade. Yesterday, I was treating every single trade like it was the last trade of my life. It's the silliest thing ever. Come on, dude. You trade every day.
No, I just don't like if I'm right and I get stopped out at break even. It's just ridiculous. That's for losers. You need to have balls. Either you take it or you leave it. No more break even.
Yeah, no. When you're in these like small moves, it's very aggravating. Yesterday, I had about 30 break evens, and that was due to me going crazy berserk trading. But on a daily, couple break evens will not set the mood.
But yeah, I went break even because my setup was not A+.
There we go. To the downside on NAS now. See.
Oh, I'm glad. Chat, I was so close to buying this. I'm like really reckless trader.
You could just hold above Tokyo high and rip up. We'll see on NAS. If it loses Tokyo high again, it's just another sweep of the high, another sweep of the high. But VIX is falling. It's losing its momentum back up below the 50 now.
So bro, this is just gonna go all the way here, and then here we have now on the 5 minute we have a beautiful FU candle. From here we can short it.
Honestly, ES still hasn't taken out Tokyo high. We still got that. Tokyo high, sweep, and drag everything down, the whole market.
Is this the Tokyo high? No, this is Tokyo High.
Tokyo High's 57.63.50.
Yeah, I have it. Here's Tokyo High. So I say it's going to go here, then it's going to go down here, take this out, then it's going to go here, then it's going to go all the way down.
Yeah, that's. I think a sweep of the highs is very, very likely to happen here. Just because it's moving up, but it's moving up so slowly. These bulls are not. They don't have power. They have control, but they don't have enough power to just get this thing to rip. And we're creating a porcupine top on the 5 minute. This wick after wick. So let's see how many wicks we get. Pop up, sweep the high, leave another wick, and take off to the downside. Do I snipe a Tokyo High short entry, or do I stay patient? I technically don't want to be trading above this 57.38, especially shorts, because bulls are in control temporarily. But I mean, trading below 57.38 is like higher probability of working out, but works on risk to reward. This is the best risk to reward area to enter the Tokyo High. Plus, I want to.
Back in a bit, I have to go to the toilet.
Alrighty. Have fun. Let's go. Let's go. Oh boy. This shit is like. The blue light glasses. These things help work magic over here. Okay, we have no news. We're good on that tab. Was that my alert? No, I was not. I don't know what that was. Should put an alert there. Just take out the high, brother. Come on. Yep, exactly. There we go. Taking out the high. Come on, get there. Get there. Potential sells coming in. Wow, bro, we keep getting so close. Unbelievable. We need a VIX needs strength. 18 minutes. Can we take this and wick down? I can see that. Little bull trap right here. This could be a view. Oh, 16 seconds. Another one bites the dust. We got so close to taking that Tokyo high out again. We're just sitting right below it. Should we do a limit order on the Tokyo high? Probably gonna at least give us 5 points. If VIX can turn around, VIX is let go. Well, zero volume in this market. Interesting that VIX is like kind of falling right now. Yes, it's not moving.
Yeah, because we have to wait for the new 1 hour candle. That's when the volume comes in.
We got to get back up there, break that 20.5, and see this thing take off. Even closer this time. Dun, 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 dun. Do, do, do. Yeah, you know, October's considered one of the hardest months to trade. October is not fun. It's just a very, very choppy month. So get ready. Volatile, but choppy. Sadly, the seasonal calendar hasn't came out yet, so I can't even get a read on the dailies. Kind of unfortunate. I love having that. It really helps give us a guide. It had at least like 85% accuracy last month. It was very, very accurate. Let's see if it's updated. Probably. Seasonal. Nope. Not sure why. So whack, bro. Paying $50 a month for nothing. This is an interesting little consolidation right here. Oh boy. I'm exhausted, man. Why? We sit and we wait patiently. Well, I'm gonna play some music.
Oh, but you cannot put your music on loud.
Headphones in.
Oh,
But
otherwise,
I have my alert set, so
yeah.
I hear that go off, I'll pause it.
Oh, the gold short was so perfect, actually. No, but there was no setup. Just the liquidity grab was perfect.
Here we go. Doesn't want to take it out.
You have a sell limit.
Nah, I don't.
I need to trade now. I'm getting very impatient.
No, there it is. Boom.
I'm gonna take it from here. Come to
Jeez.
me. I could sell right now. I want to click the button.
Oh my god, that thing ripped.
That's why I usually trade breakouts, because they're so fast.
Oh, if I took that long, this thing would have wicked down and just ripped 20 points to the outside. It never works out. I've never won on a breakout, like maybe once in my life.
Oh,
The
but
only time I win is it on like breakouts when it's falling, like yesterday, and it's just like when fear's in the market and it just nonstop flushes. I could just trade that momentum, but it's always risky. It's always risky. Not trying to do any riskies. Okay, well, market's going. Yep, exactly. That's funny. That same line in the sand. A little trend line from the bottom, possibly. Ooh. All right. Break. Retest Tokyo high. We flush here. I'm going to look to take sells. Super tight stops. I want to see us lose this 9. 5 seconds. Let's see. Nope. I took it. I took it. I took it. I took it.
You took it?
Yeah, I took sells off that Tokyo high sweep.
Yeah, you see my zone. This is an FU candle. I drew it.
It could easily reverse right here.
Before it came up.
I was willing to take a little sniper at the top to see if it follows through.
It came here. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just going to wait for another FU candle. Oh, boring day.
God damn it. I set my stop to break even on accident, and it stopped me. God damn it, bro. I didn't mean to click right there. And it took off the second it stopped me out, it dumped. What the heck just happened, bro? That was so whack. And it freaking... What was that? I was trying to set it and move it up, and it was too close to my price. It just ticked up on me. God dang it, dude. All right. Well, try and get it on a lower high. I like that sweep of the Tokyo high, though. Now we broke some 1-minute market structure. Just grab a lower high right here. VIX is turning around, trying to get up there. Damn, bro. So unfortunate.
So, am I going to take this once this candle closes? Yes, I'm going to take it with one position at the close of the candle and one when it comes up. I take the short. So, my focus is not the buys now. I should have just have a sell limit here. That's just so much better entering without confirmation, because then you have much better risk reward ratio. So now I have missed half the move already.
Yep, exactly. That's why sucks, man. Waited all this time for that Tokyo high. Get in. It's a winner. And I freaking fat thumbed it. Fat fingered it and got myself out. Oh my god, dude. What a joke. Wasn't meant to be.
Okay, boom. Horrible entry.
You testing it? Yeah, I'm gonna look for a time. I just want to see an EMA pullback at least right here. Give me a little entry.
Here's my other sell limit. Oh, that's wrong.
Let him in his mother rap game.
Because sometimes it rips right after the FU candle, and sometimes it comes up all the way.
Yeah, we got a full 5 minutes right here. I'm about to find out. Oh, God damn. I don't know. I like this shift. I feel like this is the shift I was looking for. It's gonna pull up probably though.
Yeah, it's probably gonna take 15 minutes. Like 1 or 2 5-minute candles that are bullish, and then another one drops.
15 is beautiful. That wick.
You know what? I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna wait for this to close and leave a wick. Then I'm gonna have my sell limit above, according to my plan.
Yeah, I like that. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Waiting for this pullback wick on the 5-minute, and we'll enter.
Like when I backtest, I see so many times that it just drops right after FU candle. But when I trade live, like it just happens to always not do this. Like just to instantly pull up again. But that's my plan. I just need to enter one at the close and one above the wick. So it's just need to wait.
Oh, VIX broke that. I mean, NQ broke that. All right, 3 minutes. I gotta go pee real quick. Hopefully nothing happened. Oh, of course, we do exactly what the freaking heck I needed when I was a 15-second peen.
Bro, but the rule is that usually after this closes, it always comes up again and takes out the high of this candle in so many cases. So don't get FOMO.
I'm not. How the fuck was that? What the hell? I didn't like that. Yeah.
No, but I need to change some things in my plan. Like if I have such a small POI, just entering right here, not waiting for confirmation, because that's really something I see all the time.
Well, that was the lower high.
Same on gold.
Oh, damn it.
In gold, it was even crazier. Like, boom, took out the wick. Why not just enter here? Or at least at the close of the candle would have been beautiful.
I need to get this back to the EMA in order to enter. I'm gonna I'm gonna enter 57, 58.
Okay, close, place another sell limit.
It's got a FU candle on VIX to the upside. That's good. This thing's gonna dump now. It's just so slow right now. I don't even know if I want to be trading this. I don't know what happened in the volume. There's none.
Here comes the manipulation candle. Just gonna take out the high of this 5-minute candle.
Damn, lots of selling on the tape right here. Diamond sales. Oh, it's my entry right here. So if I enter, but we're still in the chop zone. That's the only thing that really bothers me right now. Like, okay, here we go. Like, we are in the chop zone. Where it's gonna stay. The only short I would like to enter is if we take out this 5 minute or 3 minute FU candle, the wick at the high. We can take that out, boom, and get a drop from there for continuation. That'd be sick. I just want to get that sniper entry. I'm not willing to enter down here. I like that 3 minute pick. That should be good. Yeah, double wick right here. Come on, baby. I'm gonna set a limit order. Actually, no. So I want my stop loss to go through.
Okay, second orders in.
All right.
Yeah, obviously it has to form another. Like if this close as a bullish FU, then I'm just. I said this already last time. It's just always the same. You have a bearish, then you have a bullish. My spidey senses tell me NAS and ES are going to break out long. But yeah.
I'll stop out quick here. If it pushes above this high, I'm just gonna get out. How much time's left? A minute? Yeah, I'm just gonna get out. 10 tick loss, 2.5 point loss. That's nothing. We're good. Now, if this rips all the way down in the next 40 seconds, I'm gonna cry because this is exactly what I wanted to see, but just looks too bullish. Yeah, it's pushing. And VIX turned around too. That's why. No strength in the VIX. I can't be trading this right here. This is just so unfortunate. This market is just garbage today. It's not moving. It's time to just get off. FU candle up. FU candle down. FU candle up. Sucks.
No, this is way too bullish. Thank God I only risk such a tiny amount.
Yeah, I'm down like $100, 200. This thing is like compared to yesterday, it's not moving. Ridiculous. It was expected though. We called it. Price action was gonna do this today.
But that's why I always take part, because like it makes much more sense not to have confirmation, just to enter without confirmation here, boom, then take half off, and then you leave the rest with the stop loss here. Like this, you cannot lose anymore because you
Yeah.
already did 1 to 2, you take profit, you take 1 hour, and then you get stopped out with 1 hour. So you're either break even or you win
Yeah.
because there's always a reaction.
Wait, what is it? Oh, this is NAS. Okay. The 50 period. There it is. Could have just held.
I only feel safe once it closes below this bullish FU.
I should have just left my stop loss. Wouldn't even got stopped out. Damn.
We have 1 minute, 50 seconds left. Imagine this closes as a bearish FU, this would be nice. But let's say it's going to close as a doji, it's going to come down and boom, breakout upside. Then fly for a bit to here and then go short, but then I'm not here anymore. Then my patience is over. Oh, we have some new comments. Any trades today, Tim? Yeah, I had a buy where I got stopped at a break even, and I have a sell where I'm in drawdown. Yeah. So much about my day.
Damn, that's crazy. It's a big. Yeah, shorting above VWAP, shorting above this 57.38. It's not a fan of it. And shorting in the chop zone. And shorting while VIX is falling. It's like everything's against the short right now.
No, we have to close here with doji, so it's very bad for a short. Very bad.
Yeah. The only thing that's on the short side is the fact that we're at the top of the day, but the risk reward is there.
I mean, I should close now because I know it's going to hit stop loss. But if I close, then it's going to drop, so I just leave it. Just let it hit my stop loss.
Yeah, NQ's breaking the highs.
You know, it's massive candle is going to come because the new 1 hour is opened. It's at least going to take out the high, the wick of this. Look here.
I can see this thing,
Or
honestly.
we got the high of this candle at least. And then probably it's gonna drop. It's gonna come here, or maybe just take out this high and then drop. And if I wasn't on stream, I would close the trade now. Honestly, I would close it.
Trade of the day, sweep of the lows, super simple, right in front of our face. Didn't take it. So
Yeah, but every time we take it, it's too early. So it's just that's not a valid.
I mean, the opening range was completed. It was after.
No, you can watch all streams. Not one time it swept a low or a high and instantly turned when we entered. It always came down again, and it took it out again and again and again. So it's horrible.
And there was just no pullback. I mean, the idea of the longs were there, just no pullback to enter. It's just had 3 1-minute candles that were massive, and there was 0 pullback. Absolutely messed up. I do not like when that happens, but it is what it is. If I was holding that first entry long that I wanted to take, this entire time would have just been for 20 points is pretty good.
Yeah. And
30 points.
Move to break even. I would have wanted to break too.
Yeah. Could have had that too. It's ridiculous. Just missed it. Missed the opportunity. Oh my God, that was right at 9 o'clock too. That's crazy. That was a beauty. 20 points. 30 points. Man, fuck, dude. I gotta listen to my soul. I like this for the short. That looks beautiful. We gotta break through this little intraday trend right here. If we fall through that, only thing else is the VWAP could potentially bounce there, but not too long ago, I think it was 3 sessions ago, it did this exact thing. Pushed up, consolidated up, and then end of day just flushed. And I caught that like 30-point drop.
Yeah, but this happens usually like it's like extremely late, like 2 p.m. my time or so. I'm not trading at this time anymore.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see when it happens. Yeah. It was right here. This is on Monday. Consolidated up. I entered right here when it broke and it flushed. Boom. Yeah, it flushed around 1 o'clock. No, bueno. This is just fucking hideous, bro. I don't even want to look at it.
So now a new 15-minute candle has opened.
New 15. Oh, that 15 is bullish. Damn. That.
Now you're going to see a massive move very quickly.
I don't know why it does this shit.
Now it's going to make a bing.
That is right.
And all my alerts go off.
The settings, is the breakout in pips supposed to be set to 0.01?
Oh, it depends on which time frame you trade. If you trade on the very small time frames, you need to have it quite low. But if you have it too sensitive, it's going to show you FU cans that are not really important because they have such small liquidity grab.
Got it. Man, we just swept the low and it's been going slowly up.
Yeah, and then it's gonna make boom. It's gonna explode. I see when it ranges like this, it always does this.
Yeah, it's gonna pop one way or the other.
Wicks down, I close it, break even, or it's slight profit, or it just gets stopped out.
Breakdown.
Now it's gonna come now.
If we don't get anything by 11:30 when I told everybody the stream ends, I'm getting out of here. Come back when there's a crystal clear opportunity tomorrow. Or whatever day it brings. Good trade.
No, I think I'm just gonna close and hop off. Yeah, I don't want to take a full loss. Okay, boom, lost the trade. So sad.
1-1. Or 0-1 for both of us. Oh wait, did you take a winning trade or like a scalp?
No, I could stop that. I took one on personal account on CFD, but this was obviously not on stream.
Good thing you got out. He's going. Finally. VIX is just dumping and dumping and dumping. Causing this to pump. Slowly pump.
So strange that on MetaTrader, the 4-hour candle looks different than on TradingView.
Really? Can you pull it up?
On TradingView, it's like this. On MetaTrader, this is a huge FU candle, a bullish one. So now all this bullshit here is not valid anymore. Oh yeah, actually this is an FU candle. It could still go short from inside here, but I don't believe it.
Yeah. I mean, that's the 50% retracement of the drop as well. We already rejected there yesterday, so that's what created that FU candle, I think. Let's see. Forget you. Oh yeah, we got that. Boom. Sweep of the lows to go.
Yeah, actually, it just has to come up here and go short from here.
Bro, it's 0 draw. It's crazy.
And that's actually what I said. You can watch the recording of the stream. I said this at the beginning. I said, when it takes out this low first, this FU candle becomes invalid. It becomes liquidity. That's why I have drawn it. But I just tend to fucking ignore my plan every day.
I was saying that too. I was saying the low's getting taken out, but
there was
no entry for us, bro. It just took off.
Yeah.
Like we could have sniped the Tokyo low sweep with 0 confirmation, just with a tight stop because we're catching the bottom. But other than that, there was no area, there was no pullback there. It was just straight up. And then after that went that big push up, it just consolidated and slowly pushed up more and more. But so I was trying to enter long right there. Just completely got just jumped.
Much better when I gamble. When I follow my plan, then I just tend to have such a low win rate. Oh, I'm so frustrated now. I just want to go.
Yeah, there's nothing really.
I mean, I only lost $70 on the stream, but it just pisses me off. It was like, when on stream did it ever do this? Come down and reverse. No. It never did this. It came down, came up, came lower, came higher, then broke the low again. And then in the afternoon at 2 or 3 p.m., when I just cannot be trading anymore. Then it just pumped. Always the same. No, I'm just leaving the stream now. I'm very pissed.
I'm gonna stay on until 11:30.
And I know you're gonna send me a message in 2 hours. Oh, look, 150 tick short, 3 p.m.
Probably.
Oh, oh.
It's gonna happen. Something's gonna happen, and I'm gonna be there.
And look how ridiculous this is. Look, I told you this imaginary trade on NAS where I said I'm going to buy the high. It would have worked. It was 5 minute setup. But instead of buying the high, I could have also had just my buy limit below this wick and it would have worked perfectly. That's an FUCAM, just doesn't show. Now it shows. So perfect. But yeah, it is what it is. Well, today I'm going to break my personal record in some kind of exercise because it just makes me so angry, this stuff.
There we go. We took out the high. We're dropping.
Yeah.
Let's go.
No shit. This ES bullshit.
Let's see
I could take it again, but I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to go now. That's a fucking piece of shit.
Yeah, this thing needs to break.
Fucking dog shit.
It is the toughest trading days of the year. So
no, September is the worst, and no, May, June, July.
Well, it's the beginning of September and the beginning of October, but it's just the shakeout phase. They're trying to get. This choppiness is gonna destroy a lot of. It's mainly the indices too. Like when you're trading the indices right now, this is like a very, very difficult time.
Yeah, let's have a look at the monthly time frame.
If you're focused on like specific stocks, you can have really clean moves right now.
Wow. Hey guys, I didn't even see this. This is the absolute perfect setup on the monthly. When it takes out this wick, you see the monthly FU candle and then this wick, imagine. But it looks like this month is gonna go bullish again. Don't you think?
No, the bulls are definitely in control, like on the higher time frames.
And imagine this whole drop yesterday. That's just this tiny wick here. So now let's go to the weekly. But guys, actually, I had a pretty good performance on stream. Not perfect, but pretty alright. But today is just, I mean, I followed my plan, but my plan was just absolute dog shit today. It prevented me from taking what I wanted to take.
But we just need to be taking.
Oh, on the daily, this actually, But on the daily, it's a perfect short setup. You see, break of structure. Then this is a trap. So it has to take out this trap, which it did. Then it made another break of structure on the lower time frame, which is this bullish FU candle. You see, it took out the lows. That's a break of structure. Then what has to happen after this? It has to take out the high. And this happens to form a bearish FU candle. Now today is a day after we had a very volatile day. So obviously today is very slow. But it left this wick. I say tomorrow we have Thursday. I say tomorrow we're going to have another bullish candle, which is going to come somewhere around here. And then on Friday, we might get this. That it comes up again, takes this out and drop. NFP. On NFP, the stream is going to be earlier. We're going to watch the news together.
All right.
It's going to be from 7. Yeah, I'm going to start at 7 instead of 8:15.
Sounds good.
But now I'm gonna leave.
All right. I will be here for another hour.
Yeah, man. Send me the screenshot once you have won the trade. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for being patient, and see you tomorrow. Peace out.